Welcome to Lucrece. Our exclusive skincare line consists of medical-grade products and facial protocols designed for all skin types and guaranteeing remarkable outcomes. Today, I will be showing you how to use the Vitamin C Cleanser. Designed for normal to oily and mature skin, the Vitamin C Cleanser is a refreshing, antioxidant fortified that works to strengthen and firm the skin while removing dirt and other impurities. Start by emulsifying the cleanser with lukewarm water. Gently massage onto the skin. The key ingredients and benefits of this cleanser are L-ascorbic acid, a vitamin C that's potent to help brighten the skin, even out skin tone, and protect against free radicals, promoting a more youthful and radiant complexion. Panthenol, also known as provitamin B5, soothes and hydrates the skin, helping to improve its moisture retention and overall softness. And chamomile, known for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties, helps soothe and comfort the skin. And rinse thoroughly and dry with a soft towel.